Hello students, this is the second video for this week, and in this video we'll be studying chapter 14 light, and in this video we'll be dealing with the topic convex mirror. So as you can see, this was a convex mirror that was used in the previous slide or previous picture. So in this video we are going to see image formation on a convex mirror. So first of all, how does a convex mirror look like? So here you can see this is a convex mirror. That is, here you can see that the surface bulging outwards will be the reflecting part of the mirror. So in a convex mirror, the reflecting surface is on the bulging part of the mirror. So if we will be moving away or towards the mirror, what we will notice about the image on it? So for that we need to study the image formation, that is with the help of the ray diagrams. So first of all, let us see the major rays that will be used in locating the image formed on a convex mirror. So first of all, talking about the parallel ray. So if an incident ray is parallel to the convex mirror, the reflected ray seems to come from the focal point, that is to come from the focus. So what is a focal ray? The incident ray seems to pass through the focal point, is reflected back parallel to the principal axis. We have seen in the case of the concave mirror also that if an incident ray will be parallel to the principal axis, after being reflected it will pass through the focus, and if we have an incident ray passing through the focus, after being reflected it will pass through it will be parallel to the principal axis. Same about the straight ray. The reflected ray bounces off in the same direction as the incident ray, as we have seen in the case of concave mirror also, that if a ray is passing through the center of curvature, it is falling at 90 degree on the surface of the plane mirror, so it will be retracing its path. Now let us locate the image formed by a convex mirror. So here you can see that where the image is formed. So first of all, the object is at infinity, light rays are coming from the object, so the image will be formed between the pole and the focus. So again you can see here the object is between center of curvature and focus. So what will happen? A ray traveling parallel to the principal axis virtually emanates from the virtual focal point after reflection by the mirror. A ray that aims at the virtual focal point as it goes towards the mirror will be reflected back along a path parallel to the principal axis. So you can see that virtually the rays are meeting here. So an erect and diminished upright image of the object will be formed between the focus and the pole. So in a convex mirror, always a virtual image is formed. So students, this is all for this video. Thank you so much.